Hey everyone! Welcome back to our video series on how to get started in SkillBit Labs. My name is Phoebe DeVito. I'm the Customer Success Manager at SkillBit, and I'm excited to show you around. In this video, we're going to be looking at the challenge range. So once you log into the platform, on the left side menu, you can see where it says challenge range. You're going to go ahead and expand that drop-down menu to find where you can access our hands-on Jeopardy style content. A great place to start here is to navigate to topics. This is where we've broken down challenges that are in the platform into different types. This might be different categories, concepts, groups, nice work roles, platforms or languages, or generally topics. This is also where you can find custom topics that have been created by your organization. So a good example of a custom topic right here is getting started in on-demand labs. So this is something I created for our internal test group. And what I can do is click into this and I'm going to find all the challenges that my organization has selected for me as part of this custom topic. Going back to the topics page, I'm going to scroll down and show you a little bit of what I mean. So you can see we've broken them down into categories. So binary exploitation 101. There's also core concepts, so file formats, encoding. Here we have one specific to Python and cyber defense analyst under that nice work role. So there's a lot of different ways that we've broken down the challenges on the platform, but there's a lot to go through. So we thought this could be a good way to make it a little bit easier to find what you're looking for. If there's ever a custom topic your organization needs, let's say you want to see specific challenges on networking or a cloud, you can shoot our support team an email and we can absolutely set that up for you. That's something your administrator can also set up through their content manager role, which we'll talk about in another video. Talking through the different types of challenges that are in our challenge range. So to start, we have ranked challenges. These challenges are dropped once a week on Tuesdays at 6 p.m. Eastern at the time of this recording. You can see there's a countdown to the day that the next challenge is. You can see that we have a tracker for how many of these ranked challenges you've solved based on the category. And then what will happen is once a challenge has been released, it will pop up here and you will be able to see it and solve it and hopefully get the first blood. You can also click on these categories up at the top to sort them or filter them by a certain category. Ranked challenges are weekly challenges. Like I said, they drop once a week and they count on the leaderboard for 52 weeks. Next up, we've got active challenges. So these are pretty much all the challenges on the platform that will earn you points if you solve them. Once again, we have categories up here at the top that you can use to sort and filter. On this left side, we have different ways that you can also find the challenges you're looking for. We have a search bar over here on the left. You can filter by the status of if you've solved them or not. You can also sort by category on this side as well as up at the top. So this is another way that you can break down the content to find what you're looking for. To solve a challenge, you will go through the prompt and type your answer or the flag in here. You have free hints, and you can also check out your previous submissions and some additional information on the challenge. Finally, we have learning challenges. Learning challenges are really awesome challenges. They do not earn you points on the platform because they have been retired. Often they have a public write-up or were part of a Flash CTF competition. So that's the only reason that they don't earn you points. But they're really great challenges and they're a really good way to learn, especially if you do want to review the write-up either before, after, or during your solving of the challenge. As you can see here, these challenges are not ranked, but they're a really great way to practice in the platform. Once again, you have all the same filters as with the active challenge library. The only thing that's different here is if you click on write-ups, you can add a write-up from the community, you can check out our team's write-ups, and you can also upvote or downvote write-ups based on what you think.